Sense of confidence is out convinced after just too much pressure. Cause all the things I need are going in the surface. Yeah. You ready? You ready, baby? I'm about to blow your mind. There's something inside me that pulls me to the surface, consuming, to be confusing. Like the self-control of it is never ending, controlling and I can't see. Do myself, I was a close down. This went for. Let's go. Without a sense of confidence, without a sense of confidence, without a sense of confidence, is out to just too much pressure. Without a sense of confidence, without a sense of confidence, without a sense of confidence, I'm convinced that it's just too much pressure. If I find myself, my walls are closed down. I've been this way before, so it's easy. Let's go. Yo, I'm legit too. Like, I'm on all platforms. Yeah. Verified. Apple Music, YouTube, Spotify, Shazam. Fucking all of it.